And our resident gaming guru, Jordan Erica Webber, is going to explain why I'm dressed like a recyclable Ghostbuster.
Well, Craig, it's because we're going to be talking about the brand new Nintendo Labo, which is out today if you're watching on April 27th.
So what's this then?
So it's a series of cardboard construction kits that you build yourself. They call it Make, Play, Discover. So you make them and then you play with them and then you combine with the Switch or the Joy-Con to make interactive toys, or Toy-Con as Nintendo calls them.
It looks like someone's bought the toys, thrown them away, and then are just playing with a cardboard box.
I'd be really impressed if you could make any of these yourself out of scraps of cardboard, Craig. So you get in the box all of these cardboard construction kits. So you pop out the pieces. Kids can do it. You could probably do it, Craig.
Okay.
You follow the instructions on the Nintendo Switch.
Okay, show me how it works.
Okay, so this is the RC car. You can build this in about 10 minutes.
Okay.
They encourage you as well to decorate them. So here's one they made for us earlier.
Right.
And then you combine the pieces. So the Joy-Con, the controllers for the Switch, obviously have this HD rumble in them, which means that if you put them in a car like this, you can drive it around.
And if you had two, could they fight against each other and things like that?
Yeah, so you can even play two-player with just one Switch. If you have another set of Joy-Con, you can play one of you on this side, one of you on the other, and fight, kind of like Robot Wars.
Okay. Like in the piano, how does that work?
Yeah, so you put your Switch in here, you put the Joy-Con in the back, and then the innards mean that you can press the buttons and play like a real piano. You could even make music, layer different tracks on top of each other, use different instruments.
I'm liking it.
Yeah, this is my favourite.
Okay, so how much does all that come in?
So these toys on the table, that's in one set, which costs $59.99, comes with 5 kits and the game and all the instructions and everything. But the robots...
I was going to say, why am I dressed like a 1950s science fiction B-movie character?
Yeah, so this is a whole separate kit, and it costs $69.99, and it has this entire getup in it that you build, and then you get inside and play this game.
Okay, well, show me the game. I have to accentuate my walking.
So your movements are mirrored on the screen.
Okay, now this game, I just have to destroy a city. Destroy everything. This is so much fun, Jordan.
Yeah, it's a great way to get out your frustration.
Look what happens when you put the visor down.
Oh, wow. And it's all just cardboard.
I know, and you can play video games and get fit at the same time. Look, I'm flying. There we go. Look at that. Well, thank you very much, Ms. Jordan Erica Webber.